You got any questions? Shafika? All okay. Can you hear me? Shafika, are you okay now? Maybe my... Okay, let me see. Okay, see. What about Sabrina? All okay? Sabrina, I cannot see you, Sabrina. Don't do half face lah, half face and all. I know it's popular on TikTok. What about, what's her name? Sophia is coming. Just wait for 1 second. She's joining in. Okay. Sophia, are you there, Sophia? Okay. What topics are you all in need of help? Sophia, Assalamualaikum. Sophia, you have any questions that you do not know? Anyone got any questions you do not know? No one. No one, eh? Okay, no one, then we start. If you have, just tell me, okay? So I am now going to start with the other day's one. We did not complete, and I was a little bit worried that you all are not able to do it. So let us start with this one first. This one we did right the other day. Okay. I think we were stuck at somewhere here, maybe somewhere. Okay, this one should be okay. This one, right? We were more or less stuck somewhere here. Can we just try very quickly? Question E and F. Sophia, are you okay, Sophia? You happy, Sophia? Are you happy? Yes, you are happy. You have to think for a while. Okay. Come. You can just key in your answer in the chat. Sophia, how are you in your school? Are you okay, Sophia? You understand what the teacher is saying? Yes. Maths teacher, no, not the maths teacher. Yes. Shafika, what about you, Shafika? You understand what your teacher is teaching? Sabrina, also okay? Wow, very good, eh? Alhamdulillah. Okay, you can just type your answer straight, and we will then move on to E and F again, eh? So E and F and E and F again. And let us see whether you are okay. Come, question E1E, please just type it in. Okay, Sophia, where's your X suddenly disappear? Your X got to be there. We'll wait for Sabrina and Shafika. Okay, let us see what about Shafika and Sabrina for question 1E, please. If you're taking a little bit too long thinking, that means, okay. What about Shafika? We are waiting for you for Shafika. You look just as if you are in some wonderful place. You know, when I was in Sarawak, the Bomo, there's one Bomo asked me, you want me to bring you up to the skies? I said, I don't want, I'm scared. But I can imagine that's what it is. Okay, out of the three of you, only one got the correct answer. Those who say is minus 7x, I'm very, very sorry, you're wrong. You owe mommy $2, you owe daddy $9. How much do you owe? $7? How come you borrow $2 from one person, you borrow another $2 from another person? How come you only $7? You must owe minus $11. Now, this part, maybe you're confused. I'm going to check you one by one. Sophia, are you confused? Honestly. Sabrina, are you confused? Yes. Now, so why are you confused? Let me explain to you. You're confused between two things. Huh? There is times, there is plus minus. So remember, now this, you have seen this chart before. Minus, minus, plus. Plus, plus, plus. Minus, plus, minus. Plus, minus, minus. This is for times or divide. Remember that. If let's say I give you, now this is point number one. Point number two, how we learn addition, subtraction when in primary school is different now. Now you see now 8 minus 3. You might see minus as a sign that is different. That means 8 is one number, 3 is one number, minus is another number. Well, in secondary school, don't understand it that way. In secondary school, there is no more any sign. Minus sign, don't have. Imagine for this one, let's say now, minus 8 minus 2. First of all, this is not times. If it's this like that, Sophia, if it's like that, it's 8 times 2, 16. Minus, according to this, become plus. Correct. There is no times here. This one, you utang $8. You utang $2. You must therefore utang, $2. Must therefore utang $10 in the end. Another way of seeing it, you dig a hole. Okay, 0 is level, 0. This is the land. Okay, let's say now you dig a hole 8 meters deep. You dig a hole 2 meters deep. When you combine it, it becomes 10 meters deep. You understand? Okay, try to imagine to see this one. Owe money, must owe more money. So if someone were to give me this question like that, 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 4 minus 10 minus 11 plus 2, I'm not going to do 1 minus, I'm going to group all those that have money and owe money. What do I mean? This one down here, I utang money. I utang money. I utang money. I utang money. How much I utang in all? Utang 2, 3, 5, 15, plus 10, 15. 15 plus 11. I utang $26. How much do I have? $1, $4, $2. I have 1 plus 4 plus 2. $7 I have. I have a plus here, but don't need to put, right? 7 minus 20. So now, if I have $7, I utang 26. In the end, I will only have 19 utang after I pay up the $7. Bigger number minus smaller number, get the answer, follow the sign of the bigger number. Are we okay? Sabrina, okay? Sophia, okay? Sophia, why this year you're so shy, Sophia? What happened? Something must have happened. And don't do Hamun, Hamun, Sabrina, one of our Hamun, Shafika will go offline. Okay, you try again. Try question number 2. Number 2, you know, huh? You try question F. What am I saying, number 2? Number E, you know, can you try this one? I think we do A and B also. Okay, let us see. Where is it? Allah. Come on. Congratulations to, oh, no congratulations. Miss Shafika, I think you got to check your next answer. Miss Shafika, 1F. Please check. The rest, you can start sending me your answer. It's okay to be confused because you are now shifting, migrating from a one type of understanding to another type. Anybody? All right. Masih confused? Shabika, okay, now we do the next one now. Let us do the next one. Please check, Please check. Okay, don't worry if you are still not getting it. Minus 4x minus 5x. Am I correct? That's the question, right? Please check. All of you got it wrong. Please focus. We need to get it. We need to get it right. We need to get it right. Okay. So this one got no problem. This one you got no problem. The problem is now this one. When you have minus, this actually you must use this chart. What does this mean? Shafika come back from Sakura. Now, if you have minus minus on here, this means it's actually times lah. This means there's actually a 1 here, but we don't write the 1. Okay, we don't write the 1. So we just imagine lah. Minus minus, this one must become plus 5x. This one minus 4x. Look, you have a double sign where there is no number in between. You know you have to use this chart. So this chart you use for times and divide. You also use when there's double sign. Let's say someone give you 7 plus minus 3. Then they put like that. This is a double sign. You must use this chart also. Must. Okay. So down here, Shafika, can you see your mistake now? Shafika. Of course, all of you made a mistake here. This is like the same as 5x minus 4x because it's equals to x lah, because you have $5. You utang $4. You pay it up, you still have lah money, $1. Shafika, it's supposed to be positive x, not my negative x. Can you see? 5 is bigger than 4. This is plus. So, don't know whether she understands. Shafika, you all get it, the rest get it. I'm going to give you another question, and you all do this question then. Okay, this time. No x. Okay, you try. What's the answer? Can you try just send the answer straight on the chat? We see whether you can do it. Okay, any answers, please? Any answers? Okay, we have the first one coming. Okay, congratulations, Ms. Shafika. Your answer is correct. What about Sabrina and Sophia? Hey, all of your names start with S. I just realized, man. Sabrina, congratulations for everything from Ms. Sophia, who's feeling a little bit of pressure. Come on.
Shaheed,
Yes.
can I take something?
Take. Whatever you want to take, please take. But come back, eh? Sophia, how? Sophia, we do together, eh? Can? Say, Sophia. Now you have minus minus. Do we use this one? Yes. So now it becomes 7 plus 2 minus 3. Then plus minus, same thing. Double sign. We must use plus minus and minus. So minus. So now what to do? For me, I always group the same. This is positive 9. Utang minus 5 lah. Add utang lah. Utang $3, utang $2. Combine them, utang like that. Answer is 4. Are you okay? Number 2, Sophia. X times x is equals to x squared. Remember, I must same number times itself, then become the square. So cannot suka-suka put the square there lah. Okay, we move on. Okay, we move on to the next one now. You try now. 2a, 2b. Hopefully, Shafika will come back. Shafika, is your brother teaching your Shafia? Has he started teaching? Yes. Hey. No. Hey. Maybe you got to be the one to teach lah.
I don't know.
Okay, we do A and B first. Let us see what's your answer. Come, send your answers, come. Finish one, just send one so that I can just check. Let us see. Congratulations, Sabrina. Sophia, almost there, but not yet. Never mind, you move on to the second one. Move on to the next one, B. What about Shafika, your first one, 2A? Shafika, try. What's your answer for A, Shafika? We're going to go through shortly.
I'm confused at question.
Sorry, confused at? Confused at which one? This one, B,
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to show this shortly. Okay, I'm going to go through. Shafika, I can't hear from you, so we're going to go through. Okay, first one. Now, I'm going to type in this thing first. This is for A, then after that we go to B. Now, Miss Sophia. So, Sophia, let us check. Let us put the numbers one side. The numbers, can you see? There's plus 10 and plus 5. We must include the sign in front, Sophia. In front of them is a plus. So in front of 10, you put plus. Okay, Shafika, let's see. Okay, your answer so not accurate. So please check, Shafika. Then the next one, plus 5. So notice I put like that. Down here, 3x, they tell me 3x. Okay, 3x. Then it's minus 6x. How I know minus 6x? Because the minus is in front of the 6x. So now, you got 3x, but you minus a bigger number. Your answer is minus 3x balance. How to do? Take bigger number, which is 6x minus smaller number, 3x. 6x minus 3x is 3x. The sign will follow the bigger number. The bigger number is 6 is minus, we put minus here. You got $3, you utang $6. You pay back the $3, you still utang $3. You borrowed $6, you only pay $3. So, and down here now, plus 10 plus 5, that means plus 15. So Shafika, take note, is minus 3x, not plus 3x. Now the next one Okay, here we go, the next one. So please watch, okay, Sabrina and Shafika. So I'm going to copy 9x minus 4 plus minus. Okay, I just copy first. I just copy the question and I'm going to reading out so that you are easily. So now let us remove the brackets. So I just copy a 9x minus 4. Same thing. Now double sign. Double sign. Oh, ya Allah. Cepatnya. Hold on. Where did I go to? Down here. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was fast. That was very fast. Okay. So can you see? 9x minus 4, I copy the same thing. Now there's double sign, plus minus. Follow the chart. The chart say plus and minus will become minus x. Minus and minus becomes plus 1. Sabrina, okay? Sophia, okay? Okay, now? So now I remove the bracket. Then what do? I group. Every time you see, you look at the one down here. You have x number. I put all the x's together. Put all the number together. So the same thing. So down here is 9x. So I look at the next x. The next x, look at the sign, is minus x, So I just copy put minus x. Then the next one, minus 4. The number now, minus 4. Plus 1. 9x minus x is equals to 8x. You utang $4, you have $1. Okay, you still utang $3. Or you can take bigger number minus smaller number. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then put the minus sign in front because it is the bigger number. Sabrina, okay? Sophia, okay? I hope so. We try the next one. Okay, in that case, we try question E and F. E and F. You can do this. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. You can send your answers. Okay, Shafika, what about your answer? We are waiting for you, so I can go through. So far, those who have submitted, no one has gotten it correct. There's still some mistakes there. We're waiting for Shafika. While waiting, you can try to correct a mistake. Sabrina, your mistake is only one of it. Shafika? Can you do, Shafika? E, 2E. This one is for the next one, is it, Sabrina? Yes, next one. Okay, same one. Okay, let's check. All right, Shafika, you have not sent your answer, so we are going to go through shortly. Yeah. Shafika, you sending or not? I don't want to send. Why? Oh, Shafika said, okay. Now, all of you still have not made it. Watch, watch very clearly, please, girls. Please observe, observe, watch. So now, what we do, we copy this thing and minus 9x. We copy because there's nothing to change. Then minus 2y. Now the next one, 2 double sign. Double sign means you must use the chart. Plus and minus becomes minus x. Minus and minus becomes plus. Minus and minus become plus, correct or not? So now let us group them together, okay? Let us group them together. So you have minus 9x. I copy the same thing, minus 9x here. And then I'm going to put it together, the x, minus x. Oh, minus x. Right? And then after that, minus 2y. Then plus 2y. Can you see this minus 2y plus 2y? It equals 0 lah. This cancel out. Minus 2y plus 2y is the same as what? It's the same as 2y minus 2y. No more, nothing, 0. So this one now will become 0. The y will become 0. This one becomes 0. Why? Minus 2y plus 2y becomes 0 lah. Then the bottom one is actually owe $9. You owe $1. So you must owe total utang is 10x. Oh, Sabrina, both are wrong. Sorry. Yours, both, even the first one, both wrong. So the answer is just 10 minus 10x. Okay, which part you don't understand? We go through one by one. Sophia, which one you don't understand? Sophia, be honest with me. Which one you don't understand?
Just now I did I did like the opposite.
Opposite, okay. But now you are You are getting better? You think you are Shafika, which part you don't understand? Or you understand?
Understand.
Understand. Sabrina, which part you don't understand? Which part you confused?
The negative 9x minus 1.
Negative what? Sorry? Negative what?
Negative 9x minus x.
Okay. So now negative 9x minus x. This is minus 1x, right? So now, is there any times or divide here? No. And there's no double sign. Double sign is like this, plus minus, minus minus. So you cannot use the chart. Do not use the chart. This one means you utang money. You utang money. If you utang one person and you utang another person, that means your utang is more. So you plus them up. Just plus them. You utang 9. Then you utang someone $9. You utang someone $1. Total you utang $10. So you must put the minus in front. Are we okay? Now, just remember when you have this thing. Okay. This one now, if let's say you're given something like that, 10x plus x minus 10x minus x, 10x minus x minus 10x plus x. This one you must be able to do. Okay. Down here now is very simple, right? 10 plus 1, 11x. No problem. This one also no problem because you're used to it at primary school. You got 10, you minus 1, 9x. These two should not be a problem. This is the new one. You utang $10. You utang $1. So you must utang $11. 11x. Okay. Down here now, your utang is more than what you have. So you bayar your utang lah. You only can bayar $1. You still utang $9 what? Because you only bayar $1 only. If you this one you don't understand, take bigger number minus smaller number. 10 minus 1 is 9. Follow the sign of the bigger number. So this one is not connected with this one. This one means you change the sign. This one you don't need to change the sign. Never mind, we try some more. We got to make sure you get it. You got to be able to understand and see the difference. Okay, now you try question F, please. Question F. Question F. Huh? Okay, send your answer, please. If you get it wrong, I have to look at your working. So please do your working, please. I need to see what part. Normally, students don't get it because they jump steps. Normally. That means they do mentally, then they jump step, then I got to check actually. So if this one you still get it not correct, I will ask you to show me. Come, send me your answer. Come, Sabrina, I think you are done already. Sophia, you are done also. Come, send. Don't wait for your friends. Come, Shafika, send your answer, Shafika. Thank you, Sophia. Let us see. Y is correct. Your X is not correct, Sophia. So I need to check your working later. Shafika, you have gotten it correct. Congratulations. You win for yourself free hamburger meal from McDonald's. You can ask for it from your mom. I will not pass her the money. Sabrina, we're waiting for you. While we're waiting for you, Sophia, can I see your working? Show me your working. Come, Sophia. Come, show. Hold on, let me just see. Sophia, where are you, Sophia? Okay, wow, very neat handwriting. Don't remove it. Don't remove it. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Where is someone is missing? Hey, Sabrina is gone. Okay, Sophia, I'm going to go through now. Your hold on. Okay. Okay, Sophia can see this. This is yours, right, Sophia? Now, so that I see. We will mark one by one. So I need to see, what you are doing so that you know. Sophia, are you looking? Yes. So plus and minus, you have to use the chart correct. It becomes minus. Well done. This one plus and minus becomes minus. Good. Well done. So remember, down here, actually both are correct lah. But your sign, you utang $8. Now there's no double sign. You utang $8. You utang $5. You must utang $13 lah. This time you utang $3, you utang $4. How come suddenly you got $7? You utang. It must be minus 7x minus 13y, or minus 13y minus 7x. You get it, no, Sophia? Sophia, you get it? No? Down here you utang, no? Utang, you know what's meaning utang? You ever utang people money? Ever borrow?
Mr. Shaheed, but then right,
minus become plus.
Yeah, minus.
Okay, so minus become plus. Remember what I say? They must be double sign. Like this is double sign. There is no number in between. Two signs together. Or minus 5 times minus 2. It must be times or divide. So 5 times 2, 10. Minus becomes plus. It's either you have times or divide or double sign like this. This is not double sign. Can you see? There is no double sign. Right? This one there's double sign. Can you see this one double sign? You understand, miss? Sophia. Okay, we will try again. Sabrina, I didn't get your answer. Sabrina, did you send your answer? Can do not, Sabrina?
Oh, wait.
Cannot. Okay, I will share screen again. All right. The next question you all have to do is, because we need to clear this lah. We need to clear this before. So the next one is this one. So Sabrina, why don't you try both lah? You can do it. In fact, the other day your understanding was better. I'm a little bit worried now. What happened? What did you learn in school? Should be okay, right? Or maybe I'm teaching too fast. I do not know. So we try the next one, H. Sabrina, if you want, you can try F first and tell me what's the answer. Shafika, your answer for F is correct, eh? Shafika, you look as if
I'm stuck at like.
Wait, which part? Show me. Show me.
How's my yeah.
You show me what you have written on a piece of paper. Okay, hold on. The rest you just hold on. Wait, hold on. Wait. Okay, just one moment. Don't take it out yet. Don't. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I'm gonna just share. So we go through. Okay, don't be ashamed of making mistakes. Okay, there's nothing wrong with making mistakes, so long as you don't make mistakes. Remember, I told you about the man with the many wives. Did I tell you earlier, to girls? Yes, right? Sophia, and I think now it becomes a very big issue. So down here now, let's see. So let us mark lah. We mark Sabrina's one. So plus and minus. Sophia, I can see this plus minus, Sophia. This one you use a chart. Minus, correct. So minus 5y, then plus minus again for Sabrina's one. Again, correct. So now, she put, now let me see. Sabrina, now down here you jump step. Sabrina is one of them who jump step. So Sabrina, don't jump step yet. So what do I want you to do? I want you to write, but you say, Amat leceh lah, we got to waste time. But if not, you will make mistakes. So now, let us look at the x now. X down here, minus 3x, minus 4x. So we just write it down here lah, Sabrina. Minus 3x, minus 4x. You see, I don't want, I want to do fast. Not yet, because you are making mistakes. So if you do fast, don't worry about it. Then minus 8y, minus 5y, just copy. Minus 8y, minus 5y. You see, now you put it side by side. You can see whether there's double sign. Any double sign on here, Sabrina? Any double sign on here? Is that this one? No double sign, right? Double sign means like this, no? Plus, minus, or minus, minus. No double sign, right? Any double sign you see? No, right? So now you must do like utang and have. You utang $3, you utang $4, so you utang $7. Something like that. Then the next one, you utang $8, you utang $5, so you utang $13. Are we okay? So Sabrina, your mistake is this one. You wanted to do fast, which is good, but in the process of going fast, you change it to something else. So this part you are still okay now. This part now down here is not okay. Okay, are we all right? You don't jump step, okay? You try. Okay, we move on to, we move back. Okay, you try H. I think Shafika has completed the H. Wah, Shafika, hoi, bercahaya. Shafika, only the last one. The minus 8, Shafika. Is something is wrong. Shafika, can you hear? Your answer, the last one, something is wrong. You see, Shafika, down here. You look, there's 3, down here. How come your answer only minus 8? Can you see not? There's also 3 here.
I didn't see the 3.
So you are getting the hang of it. Sabrina, cannot, Sabrina? You seem to be busy with something. Come, try H, Sabrina. You can do it. Sophia, what about you, Sophia? Sophia? Are you there, Sophia? Sophia is very serious nowadays. Are you okay, Sophia? Are you happy? You're happy, right? Shafika, what's your new answer, Shafika? Oh, okay, your new answer is correct. Shafika, congratulations, you get the hang of it. Where you get the photo of this sakura tree actually? On the internet. Oh, I must also do that. It's as if you get banyak nur. Macam wahyu, dapat wahyu ni. Okay, you can do this one, Shafika. Once your Sophia, have you gotten Sophia? Okay, you can do this one. We're waiting for Sophia and Sabrina.
Teacher, I already sent my answer.
Oh, you send your answer. All right. We are gonna go through. I need to see how you can I see your workings, Sophia. Just a moment. Yeah. Wow, your handwriting very nice, your handwriting. I might want to turn it into a font. Okay, thank you. Okay, Sabrina, we are doing H. Okay, you try H very quickly while I will check Sophia's working in a moment. And so far, you can try 3B also if you want to. Or Sabrina, we do together. You tell me what to do. Sophia, you check yours, huh? You check yours, okay?
How to do 3B?
3B, okay. 3B in a moment, okay. Let me check. Okay, Sophia, Sabrina, all are starting as. Can you tell me what to do first now in this question? Sabrina, come, you unmute, you tell me now. What do we do now for this one now? Okay, what do I do first? Can we remove the brackets now? Okay, we remove the brackets, okay, but one by one. Okay, so you tell me now what happens. Do I write 3 down here? Yes. Minus 6y, and then? Oh, there's a minus here. This one becomes what? Minus 2x, because plus and minus is minus. And then minus 8, I just copy. Then the next one will be? Plus 7y, good. Plus x. Okay. So now what's the next step that we do? We group the x together, the y together. So what you want to put in front? X can we do put x together? So tell me what to type in. I will just type in what you say. How many x? How many x?
Negative 3x
Good.
plus x.
Good. And then go to y.
Y
Negative 6y. And then
plus 7y.
plus 7y. Okay. And then
Um,
plus 3
minus 8.
minus 8. So now we do one by one now. Okay. You tell me what's the answer. Minus 2x plus x. What's the answer?
1x.
Minus 1x because you utang $2. Right? You have only $1. You pay up the utang, you still utang $1 more. Okay, next one. Minus 6y plus 7y.
Minus 1y.
Minus 1y. Let us see. Now you have $7. You utang $6. You pay the utang. Do you still utang money or you have money? You have $7. You pay up an item for $6. After, you still got balance money? Yes, right? So down here, if you got balance, means it must be plus. If you're confused, just take bigger number minus smaller number. 7 minus 6, get 1. Follow the sign of the bigger number. Okay, and the next one, plus 3 minus 8. How?
Plus minus, wait, no. Is it plus -5?
Plus negative 5, just negative 5 lah. Okay, because You utang $8. You only got $3 in your pocket. You pay up the utang, you still utang money. So still utang, just put like that. So now, so this is your final answer. Minus x plus y minus 5. Okay, now we are going to check through Sophia's one. Sophia, we are checking through yours. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Okay, let us see now. Sophia, is this the one, Sophia? Sophia, where are you, Sophia? She has gone. Left, is it? Okay, then we move on. Later, then I will go through hers. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay. Okay, did we go through this the other day? Expansion. Your school have not gone through this, huh? No, okay, I think we won't go through. We go through the problem sum, but now we go through this one because what's the name? Shafika asked me. So if you are ever given this sort of question, you can bracket it out. Okay, because then they say sum, right? So you put plus and then close it up. Okay, then after that you remove the brackets. Okay, but we are not going to go through this. I want you to do problem sums now. Okay, so let us try. So hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, can you try to do this? Question number 5. Question number 5. Just give me one moment. Okay, once you are done, please send your answers, please. Now, this is the highest level. Okay, most of the questions going to be like this sort of standard. Inshallah, it's not so tough. Where's JPR? Easy, yeah? It's not easy. Okay? If you get confused, change the X to a number. Okay, second part answer. So, good. Good answer. Good answer. Now we wait for Sabrina. Okay, first one is good also, Sabrina. Second one. Okay, both of you have the same answer. Great. The best, even better answer is this. Like this, huh? You put 2x plus 5y, but bracket it up, put a dollar sign in front. Okay? Like Shafika, you one part you did for the second one, you put like that. So only your 50 got dollar sign. And Sabrina, you answer it like that. Okay. So what you can do is put a bracket totally outside here. All right? The dollar sign there. So Sabrina's case, you put like that. Dollar sign, put a bracket. So it shows that the whole thing has a dollar sign. Okay, you're okay, well done. Now we try the next one.
Do the next one.
Sorry?
Do the next one.
Doing question 6, question 6. I can't hear you. What you say, Ripin? 0 dex 1, I don't know what you're saying. Welcome back, Sophia. What? Say properly, I cannot hear. What is it?
Nothing.
I heard you say 0 dex 1, 0 dex 1. I do not know what it is.
Do the next one.
Do the next one, yeah, do question 6. Right, question 6, huh? But before that, I just want to screen share. Sophia, we go through your error, okay, Cam? Okay, you all also check, huh? You also check, okay, now. Again, we can see that Sophia's handwriting is ready to be a font. Now, let us see now, Sophia. Okay. So, this is now plus minus double sign. Yes, you use the thing. Hey, hold on. This one now, you got 3, 6y. Now suddenly become 3y, 6. Apa ni? The y suddenly appear down here. The y disappear down here. Cannot lah, miss. Apalah, miss? You're unfair lah. Unfair lah. Now down here now, minus is plus, correct? That's why this part down here, you have confused everything. The whole thing becomes wrong. Be careful, secondary school, your mistake at the beginning is going to cause you to go off course. So be careful. So Sophia, more or less, you are getting it ready. You got to be careful. Okay, question number 6. Sabrina, question number 6. And once you have done that, you can do question number 7. Sabrina, don't forget to come back, Sabrina. Yeah, I will change the question. Basically, find the cost of the electric toothbrush. Okay, you can say find the cost of electric toothbrush.
What do you mean by show you're working to explain your
Okay,
answer?
never mind. I want you to find the cost of the electric toothbrush. What is the cost of electric toothbrush? This one we cancel. What's the cost of electric toothbrush? You can tell me now. What do you think the answer is?
8x.
8x. Okay, very simple. Dental floss is twice. So toothpaste is x. Dental floss is twice. So that means 2 times x, 2x. Lah. Okay, this one is 2x. Why? Because dental floss twice of toothpaste. So 2 times of this one is 2x. And then as electric toothbrush costs 4 times as dental floss. So 4 times 2x. 4 times 2x give you 8x. Okay. So the answer for this is straightforward. Okay, we have only half an hour left, so let us try our best to complete the problem sums here. Okay, can you do question 7, please? Okay, we're doing number 7, Sabrina. Sophia is out. The internet is quite. Number 7, Sophia. Yes, Sabrina, well done. Anyway, is there opening bracket or 9?
I forgot to put the opening bracket.
But it's 9x, is it? You put it as 9x.
No.
It's x plus 6y, is it? I think you mistaken. X plus.
It's supposed to be dollar bracket x plus 6y.
Okay. No problem, no problem. Okay, that's correct. Well done. The next one. Sophia, can do it, Sophia? Okay. Hold on,
This Shaheed.
Yes.
Can I take
Take.
water?
Okay, congratulations, Shafika and Sabrina. Your answer for B is correct, and A is also correct. So now, Sophia, we go through. Okay, Sophia, you must first understand what's a salary. Commission is bonus lah. Okay, so this person, salesman, even if he doesn't sell any van, he will get X dollars a month. So now every van he sells, he gets $1. One van, $1, a Y dollar. So now 6 vans he sells, he get 6 Y dollars. Okay, we can do it like that. Dollars, bracket 6Y. But don't forget he has his salary every month. So this is what he'll collect that month. X is for his salary. 6Y is for the van that he sells. Okay, so now for this one now here, he sells 5 vans. That means one less. He sells one less, he gets $240 less. That means one van, the commission is $240. This one you got to get lah. One van, the commission is $240. So if 7 vans, take 240 times 7, you get 1680. Okay, I hope you're okay with that. Okay, maybe we move on to, okay, maybe it's 2, the thing we try the rest down here. This is some Sec 1 maths from the exam papers. Okay, this is Dinan Secondary, and it's a media exam lah, Holy Innocent. Okay, maybe we try. Okay, can you try question number 3? Question number 3. Remember, integer is like whole number. Okay, you can send your answers.
What is integer?
Integer, whole number. But the difference is whole number, or the integer also includes 0 and negative numbers. So -3 is an integer. Half is not an integer. 0 is an integer.
Oh, it's
27 whole number.
Whole number.
Yeah, it can be negative, positive, or 0.
Decimal?
Decimal is not integer. Decimal and fraction is not integer. Let us see, we have the first answer. Okay, your first one is correct. What about the second one, Sabrina? Shafika, correct? Second one incorrect for Sabrina. We go through it for her. Nearest 100, which one is it, Sophia? 1, 10, 100, this one. Remember, this is 1, this is 10, 100. So we are talking about this particular number. You got to look down here. If this one is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1. In this case, you must plus 1 becomes 0.04. What about the next one? To the nearest integer. We are looking at the ones lah. So take from here. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1. So you must plus 1. So becomes minus 1 to 8. Okay? Minus 1 to 8. I hope you're all okay. Minus 1 to 8. Oh, that one was not Sabrina and Shafika, sorry. All right, we'll move on to this one now.
B, the answer is negative
Minus
1
to 8, yes.
Okay.
Negative 1 to 8. Okay. Because you need to look at the hold on. Let's check. This number is important. Question number 7, please. I hope you understand what we are talking about here. As much is okay. We got the next. Sophia, you understand the question? Sophia, understand the question? No. Sabrina, understand the question? Shafika, you understand the question? No. Okay. So now I'm just going to give you just a very clear explanation. Okay. Now boiling point, and you all learn about this in primary school already. We have now, let's say, a cup of water, pure water. You boil it at 100 degrees. There'll be a change of state. It becomes gas. That is called boiling point. And then when you freeze it to become ice, it's at 0 degrees. It's freezing point. Now, when you put things inside, I think I haven't told you before. Let's say you put dirt inside. It will cause the freezing point and boiling point to change. So now they are asking you about some things that have a very low boiling point. The boiling point is 25 degrees, very low, no? 25 degrees is the room temperature that we have. That means it's boiling already for that item, for that liquid. Okay, you try it. I do not know whether the explanation helps. So this is a liquid that has a freezing point and a boiling point. Anyone? Sabrina, can you send your answers?
I'm checking my answer.
Oh,
Is there a decimal between 25?
you mean for 7B, is it? Yeah,
Like
7B, you be,
the number 25, is there a decimal between it?
is there a decimal between 25? No, no, no. Just 25. Okay, 1 minute more, we'll go through this question. Okay, 1 minute more. Maybe one of the things that you may not understand is not the whole thing, but what's the difference between the freezing point and boiling point? Okay, this one, if you don't understand, let's say now, in water is 100 degrees Celsius, freezing point is 0. So what's the difference? 100 minus 0 lah, 100 degrees. That's the difference, temperature difference between the highest point, freezing point, and the boiling point. Okay, we are going to go through, Kiana. Sabrina, you're not going to submit. Just take a risk lah. Be brave, be brave, be brave.
I got
What?
negative 32 for
Negative what?
32.
Negative 18.
32.
32. Same as Shafika. So let us have a look. That means you may not understand what we are talking about here. So let us now. Okay. Where is that thing here? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, down here. Okay, this one, we will use this one. Then you will understand. So this one, remember, -7. -7 is the first thing. So now negative, can you see this one? Girls can see, girls. Girls. -7 is here lah. -7, we put -7. -7 can see, And then what did they say? The difference between the freezing point and the boiling point is 25 degrees. That means if this is the freezing point, you must plus 25 degrees before you find the boiling point. So that means again, you go up 25 degrees, you get the boiling point. So now how to go up 25 degrees? So now you have now down here, this is 0 degrees. Now here -7 lah. So you plus from -7, you plus 25. How much will you get? You tell me an answer. What down here you get 18 degrees. So at 18 degrees, this is the boiling point. Sorry, you can't see. One more time. -7 degrees here. This is the freezing point. You plus 25 degrees upwards, you will get the boiling point. So the boiling point is, if you plus, boiling point is 18 degrees. You see, our room temperature now is 20 something degrees. That means at less than 20, less than our room temperature, it already start boiling. Is it possible? It's possible. It's possible. So now you have to understand this one now. Let's see now. Now let's say this is temperature -10 degrees. Okay. Okay, then down here, for example, is 20 degrees. you must be able to calculate. From here to here is 20 degrees. From here to here is 10 degrees. So between the freezing point and boiling point is actually 30 degrees. Okay, if you're confused, we just go by the question. Okay, I teach you by the question just straight because you might be very tired already. So freezing point minus 7 degrees. So I write minus 7. Then they say the difference between the freezing point and boiling point is 25 degrees. What is the boiling point? So I'm going to show you by number line down here. This is minus 7 degrees. This is freezing point. So now down here, we do not know how much is it. This is boiling point. They say now you add 25 to the minus 7, you get the boiling point, which is equals to 18 degrees Celsius. I do not know whether I got you all. You all, are you all okay now? Okay, I tell you what, this one we try again another time. We try again. Maybe we gotta try at the beginning of the lesson. This one. This one you may have forgotten already. Index notation of prime factors. Can we try? What sound?
Shaheed,
You remember how to do that?
what is prime factor?
Prime factor is a number that can only be divided by one and one other number.
Oh.
Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are prime numbers. This one you can do by this method lah. You draw a line here, 7, 0, 5, 6, and then blah, 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 blah. Do you remember?
I give the answer as the exponential form.
Sorry, you are giving the answer as what? Sorry?
Okay, never mind.
Index notation. Do you know what it means? You know what the question? You know. Okay, what's your answer? You got your answer.
I have like both. I have like two answers.
Okay, what are the two answers?
First answer is 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2 times 7 to the power of 2.
Okay, that's
The other
the
answer is 24 times 22 times 72.
Okay, the first answer. The first answer is correct. Because 24 is not a prime number. 24 can be divided by 1, divided by 2, divided by 3, divided by 4, divided by 6, divided by 8, by 12, by 24. So your first one is correct.
Is that the ladder method?
Yes, ladder method, yes. Okay. Sophia, are you okay? So now they ask you to find the root of the positive square root of 7056. If you don't know, I'll show you number one. I think we were doing this before you joined, so but I think you should know. Sabrina. So Sabrina, what's the answer for B? Sorry?
Can I not put index notation?
You don't? Okay, yeah. So what's your answer if it's not index notation? Sorry? 84. 84. 84. Okay, 84. All right. Okay, we
840.
Is it at the side one
142
must
cannot
times?
be. Yeah?
Side one must times.
Aduh, dah lupa lah. Okay, we go through together. Sophia, your head is down here. I do not know whether that thing. I can only see your forehead. I must say, it's rather smooth. Okay, but anyway. I'm just joking lah, Sophia. Okay, here we go. All right, since you all have forgotten, some of you have forgotten. The one who was not here can remember. Now, this you can do like that, miss. 7056, right? So you divide by 2 until you, okay, so you divide by 2, you get an answer, what? 3,525, 28, I think. Something like that. Then you can divide by 2 again. And divide by 2 again, divide by 2 again. Then divide by 3. Then divide by 3. And then divide by 7, divide by 7. So this is equals to 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2 times 7 to the power of 2. Now, in order to find the square root, remember what a square root is. Okay, let's say now, Sabrina, let's say now, I have the area of a square is 81. What is the length of one side or the square root? Is 9 times 9, correct? Same number times itself. So, square root means if you have the area of the square, what is the length of one side? That's what they're saying. So, they are saying this is the area. This one is the area inside here. It's 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2 times 7 to the power of 2. So what number times down here? Times itself. Now very simple. Sorry?
Why at school they didn't call it to the power of like
What do they call it?
square or cube?
Square. Square or cube. Yeah. So you have perfect square, perfect cube. So there are different names. As someone may call you Shafika, may call you Sakura, a few other names, you see, right? So same thing. Down here now, there's in school also there'll be a few names. You watch, huh? So what number times itself? Now from here you can tell what number. You just divide this into two numbers, two groups of numbers. So down here, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2. Why? Because it's 2 to the power 4. I can put 2 to the power 2 here, 2 to the power 2. Times, there's 3 to the power 2. So 3 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 1, which is 3 lah. Times 7 to the power 1 times 7 to the power 1. So this is the length of one side. 2 to the power 2 times 3 times 7. So if you get it, that means down here, this is one side. So if Sabrina says, I do not want to leave it at index notation. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 7 is 84. This is 84 times 84. This number is 84 times 84. If you don't believe, use your calculator. 84 times 84 equals to 7056. So one side is 84 lah. So if they ask you to find the square root, this is the square root in index notation. Okay, I can see your blur already. So now we have to try. Oh, maybe we try. Okay. Okay, I just show you one thing. Maybe you might remember. If they ask you for square root, that means this index notation that you come up with, you can divide into two groups. 2 to the power 2 times 3 times 7. 2 to the power 2 times 3 times 7. You see? 3 times 3 is 3 squared. 7 times 7 is 7 squared. 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2 is 2 to the power 4. So this is one side of the square. If let's say now they give you now, let's say now the area of cube root, the cube of an object is, let's say, 1000 square cm, cubic cm. Then you get your index notation. You must divide it into three groups. Why? Because for cube there's length, breadth, and height. So must be three groups. Down here there's only length and breadth. Okay, I tell you what, we will go through this again the next lesson. Okay. You all look very tired. Are you all tired? Shafika, you're having flu. Are you okay? You have gone for your test. Are you clear? How come you're looking down there as if you're not having COVID, are you? No, right? Okay, I'm just joking. Okay, inshallah, we meet you again. But next lesson, before the lesson, why don't you send me some questions you don't know in school? Huh? Sophia, I'm sure there are questions you don't know in school. Sabrina, I'm sure there are questions you don't know in school. Or you all know every question. Only Shafika will know all the questions because you're in paradise. Okay, if you don't know, send me the questions. Then we can go through some of these questions and you will learn even faster. All right, I'll catch up you again next lesson. All right. Okay. Assalamualaikum.